Today Mobilephones.com is going to take you through a short demo of how to use Android. As you can see, I've got the Nexus 4 here, which runs stock Android, but most Android devices will look all the same. As you can see, if I flick through, you can see all of my home screens here. So these are all the apps that I use most regularly. There we go. And if you see here, I've got 3 control buttons. Now this one here is your home button and will always bring you back to this main screen, whatever app you're in. This one here will take you to the last app or the last screen that you were using. So it's just like a back button on a computer or something like that. And this one here will let you flick through all of the last opened apps. There we go. To access your notifications, you can simply scroll down here and all your notifications will be listed. To get onto your settings, quickly press that button there and you're on there. You can change all sorts of app settings, location, sound, display, things like that. Now if you press this button here, this will take you onto your main app screens. So as you can see, these apps here are ones that I've downloaded as well as ones that came already installed on the phone. So I've got quite a lot, as you can see. You've got widgets here as well, which are dynamic apps that can sit on your home screen. So you've got a clock there, rather than having a digital clock, you can have a nice analog clock. Now to get some of these apps onto your home screen, for example Facebook, just hold down over the app, you'll feel a vibration, and then you can just drag and drop the app you want into your home screen. If you decide you don't want it anymore, hold it down and flick to the top to remove it. Another feature of Android is the ability to group all of your different apps into different folders. So for example, I've got the Facebook app and the Google Plus app here, so I might want to create them into the same folder. So you hold down the Facebook app and simply put it on top of the Google Plus app, and as you can see, that has now got a folder encompassing it. So there we go, I can just change that to, we'll have Google. There, press done. And there we go, you've got a Google folder there. And you could do that to group as many of your apps as possible. And you can group them into things like for work, maybe games, maybe social media, just to tidy up your home screens a little bit. Another feature that all Android phones will have is access to the Google Play Store. Now, the Google Play Store is Google's version of the Apple App Store. And if I press here on the Play Store, you can see all the different apps that you can have recommended to you. So you've got paid apps here, you've got free apps, which most of them are at the moment. You've got Facebook, a lot of the social media apps here. You've got the most popular apps here, Candy Crush Saga, Simpsons, and paid ones there. So to download an app, it's really easy. Which we'll go for Snapchat here. Just simply click on it. You can read a description of the app, what it does, things like that, some ratings, read what people have reviewed it. Press install, accept, and as you can see, it's downloading here. And depending on how fast your phone is, it might take different amounts of time. But the Nexus 4 is quite speedy. As you can see, it's installing now. There we are, press open, and there we go, straight onto the app. So it's really quick and really simple. And the best thing about it is that you don't have to keep putting in your card details to access different apps, even if they're free, which you do in the Apple App Store. So there you have it. That's just a simple guide to Android for first-time smartphone users or anyone that's just switched to an Android phone.